I'm Sarah Hoxie, and this is today's Quick Dish. Tanamura and Ansel took their message of family farm freshness, flavor, and variety directly to executive chefs at the recent American Culinary Federation National Convention. Tanamura and Ansel's artisan lettuce was featured on the menus of both the Icebreaker reception and as the salad plate at the President's Grand Ball. In addition, Tanamura and Ansel sponsored the hot food team from the Professional Culinary Institute of Cupertino, California, who competed for the national title using Tanamura and Ansel artisan lettuce. Industry vet Arnie Rabolt has joined the sales team at First Fruits Marketing. Mr. Rabolt has over 30 years of retail experience, most recently with Super Value as the field buyer for apples, pears, and cherries. Mr. Rabolt stated that it's been my goal to have a well-rounded experience that gives me a full perspective of the produce industry. I feel like this new phase in my career on the grower-shipper side of the business does just that. The Oppenheimer Group has promoted Charlene Vettergreen to sales manager for the marketer's Calgary office. Vettergreen will oversee sales strategies into the retail, wholesale, and food service sectors in Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. Walt Breeden, Oppenheimer's Western Canada sales manager, stated that Charlene's passion for the produce business and strategic sales ability will serve her well and add value as we take care of our customers in the region. As always, log on to andnowyouknow.com for the latest news and updates. I'm Sarah Hoxie, and that's the Quick Dish.